segmenting your email list. We've mentioned how email marketing allows you to run targeted email marketing campaigns, as opposed to sending the so-called email blasts. It does so through the use of segmentation. The purpose of email list segmentation is to identify cohorts or groups of customers that share common characteristics and tailor the communication to better meet their expectations and needs. By making your email communication more relevant, you can achieve higher engagement and conversion rates. And not just by a fraction. According to the Email Marketing Benchmarks report data, personalized emails see on average an uplift of 19% in the click-through rates. How you'll want to segment your audience will vary depending on the type of business you're running or your email marketing campaign's goal. For example, a nonprofit organization may want to look at the average donation size of their customers, while an e-commerce brand may be interested in a segment that purchased in the last 90 days. That said, most marketers segment their email lists based on demographic information like gender, age, and income, contact engagement with communication like page visits, link clicks, and email opens, contact buying behavior such as products purchased and products added to cart, and contact stage in the buying cycle. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.